Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming iCloud Photos is on and that you have a valid backup to restore. This saves time and prevents repeated attempts. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to check backup dates and make sure photo syncing is enabled. If iCloud lacks a recent backup, connect to your computer and check Finder or iTunes backups. You'll need the password. Once done, ensure your iPhone has Wi-Fi, power, and enough storage to receive the restored photos. You now perform the restore. Erase the iPhone if necessary, then during setup choose Restore from iCloud Backup or connect to your Mac/PC to restore from iTunes/Finder. Be patient, larger photo libraries take hours to re-download. After restore, open the Photos app and check albums and recently deleted, visit iCloud.com to cross-check. If photos aren't present but backups existed, retry Restore. If no backup exists, consider reputable third-party recovery tools as a last resort and follow their step-by-step instructions. You finish by ensuring your library fully repopulates. Open Photos, inspect recently deleted for recoverable images, and confirm on iCloud.com. If items are missing, sign out and back into your Apple ID and toggle iCloud Photos off then on to prompt resync. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and plugged into power so background downloads complete. Troubleshooting tip: if restores fail, reset network settings and attempt the restore again. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.